So let's take a look at the helm and the bridge. Start off with the eisenglass. The side and forward eisenglass are pretty good. The three U-shaped curtains and the side curtains will need to be replaced. As you can see, there is a large padded area, sun pad, somewhere to just chill out while the boat is at anchor or underway. The companionway door and sliding lid right here. L-shaped seating. All the cushions on the L-shaped seating are in good condition. There is storage underneath the seats right there where above the speakers. We have two newer Escape Helm chairs. The upholstery is in good condition. And then at the helm we have searchlight, Raymarine unit. All the gauges here have been replaced and are in good condition. ST60 tri-data. This is a camera here for the engine room and aft. Another Garmin here, and then the Raymarine Hybrid Touch. Fusion stereo, and the boat has FLIR. Here's the side power for the bow thruster. And you're going to see the Icom VHF radio. And then give you a little bird's eye view of the foredeck here. The Jabsco ITT remote light does work, and as you can see, there's your camera for looking at the bow.